Okay, so today I will do the first activity. It's a data exploration activity. So my name is Omar Nur Hasif, and so here is the first activity. Okay, so the first activity is about the data exploration. So this overview of data set I have choose. So the data set I have choose here is Titanic dataset. So in this dataset, we have several columns, and also I have put the screenshot that I download the dataset from Kaggle, and also I put the Excel sheet there. So the first column here we have that is passenger ID, which in a numeric data types, and second is a survive column, which is the survival status, and this use a boolean feature. 0 is equal to no and 1 is equal to yes, which mean let's say this passenger, the survival status is 0, which mean this passenger is not survive. Let's say it's 1, yes, he or she survive. The third column, we have a P class. The P class is a ticket class. So the ticket class also in the Boolean feature, we have 1, 2, and 3. So 1 is the first class, 2 is the second class, and 3 determined to the third class. So the fourth column in this dataset is name. Of course, name is a name of the passenger. The fifth column we have in this dataset is sex. Sex is a gender of the passenger, and we have age of the passenger. We have SP, which means this column is number of siblings or spouse, and PASH, which means PASH column is a number of parent or children, and we have ticket column, of course a ticket number, and we have a fare column is a passenger fare, is the price, I mean the amount of the fare, I mean amount of the tickets. And we have a cabin column is a cabin number, and in this data set have a lot lot of cabin number. And then we have embark is a part of embarkation. So we have three: C, Q, and also S. C is Cherbourg, Q is Queenstown, S Southampton. These are part of embarkation that we have in this dataset. So total I can say range like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 columns we have in this Titanic dataset. So mostly have a numerical and also have a boolean data types here. So in this that I can see I can explain here about this dataset. Titanic dataset is this structured dataset, which means have a row and also columns. Okay, so after analysis dataset, including the feature analysis, so I have found is the first a survivor by class. First one, the survivor by class is mean that what I have analyzed here is first higher class passengers, which mean the first class had a better chance of survival than those in second or third class. And then the second that I can reveal here is a gender impact on survival, which mean female passengers had a significant higher survival rate compared to the male passengers, which means this reflecting to the women and children first policy followed during the evacuation. Okay, next that I have analyzed is age distribution here. There is a wide age range with many young passengers among the survivors, and also particularly in the child demographic. So of course, because of the policy, we must focus on the age, focus on the child, and also the young, I mean the young passengers among the survivors. Okay. Next, a fare analysis. Fare analysis. The here is the feature analysis have been used here is uh, using the center of tendency. I can yeah, which mean in the histogram here is the passengers who paid higher fares, often in the first class of course, had a greater chance of survival. This is what I have analyzed from the dataset. Next is embarkation point influence. Last but not least lah, it is the point that I can analyze from the dataset is the passengers boarding different ports show a varied survival rates, possibly influenced uh, by the maybe possibly influenced by the port of embarkation and also the demographic characteristic. So here is the what I can reveal from the dataset using the feature analysis. Alright, that's all from my side. Thank you.